ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವುಗಳ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ.
ಪಿಯರ್ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಿಸ್ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ಇದು ಮೊದಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಯಾವ ಬ್ರೀಡು ಏನಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಾರವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶೋ ಇದು. ಜಡ್ಜು ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶೋ ಕಾರವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಮತ್ತು ಕಮಿಟಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಶೋ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಹೀಗೆ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ.
She is original long. What tortoise? There are many black tortoise, blue tortoise, dilute tortoise. This is the black tortoise. Black tortoise, and also if you want to see black tortoise, it's okay. See the paws.
Leona?
See her paws, this one. There are 2 colors on her paws. So a cat color on the body reflects on the paws. Okay. So always if you have doubt about the cat color, you can see the paws. Okay. In this cat, the paws are like black and white. Means that black and red in fact actually, because she is carrying black and red color. Beautiful body, very nice body, excellent tail and very nice head, very good set of ears, excellent proportion. If you see properly as a painting, okay, properly as a brush you have done that. So she has got a beautiful evenly distributed color, very nice conditioning of the coat also, very well maintained coat. And for this weather, for a hot weather, for this kind of coat, maintaining is very, very difficult. It is not. You cannot see the cats in in abroad like US or other places where they're very fluffy and you can't think because that weather is different. So very well maintained for this weather. Give a big hand for this beautiful girl.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಲಿಯೋನಾ. ತುಂಬ ಏನು ಫುಡ್ ಮೇವು ಫುಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಫುಲ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಲಾಂಗ್
ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸಿತ್ತು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು.
Very heavy and very heavy cat. What do you think the breed is?
Intelligent.
What do you think the breed is?
Trustworthy.
Again, traditional long hair. Beautiful
Origin,
cat.
United
Real
Kingdom,
good specimen for the
Scotland,
breed. Excellent
and
long body. A very good head. You see that beautiful expression. Very wide open face. I must say it's like blooming. Okay, the cat is right now 10 months, right? 10 months. Very nice tail. Could be more fluffier because compared to the body it is little less. But the conditioning also keeps changing. So when the cats are 10 months old, they shed the baby hairs and they get adult hairs. This is the face actually the cat will be going in. What are you feeding your cat? Literally the cat is so heavy. Good food. Very nice belly rubs. Beautiful cat. Very beautiful cat. Very heavy. So maybe in the next show I would like to see this cat with more conditioning, okay? The weight is good, the profile is good, everything is good, okay? The standard wise. But I would see more of the fur next time. Very beautiful. Oh. It's like exercise for me, okay? So tomorrow I need not go for the workout. Yes? Thank you so much. Give a big hand for this boy. Original long hair and a Persian cat. The Persian is a copycat. You see, Persian is a copycat, not a long cat. Excellent. And if you see, there is no neck only. There is no neck for the cat.
Idu
The body is ending
ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ
here and the head is
ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ
starting
ಇರುವ
here. Very
ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುವ
short neck it has.
ಶ್ವಾನ.
Beautiful, excellent head. Beautiful, excellent chin. Excellent placement
Golden
of the
retriever.
nose. Very well opened. Usually, like no Persian cats do require this kind of a nose. So
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
nostril
ಮೂಲಕ
has to be separate.
ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ
If they are
ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ
closed, the cat cannot breathe. The cat will have breathing issues.
ಪ್ರಾಣಿಪ್ರಿಯರ
So
ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ
this cat
ಕೋರಿಕೆ
has got a proper nostrils. Very well done. Very well. Very beautiful. 4 months old. Give a big hand for this boy.
ಸಭಿಕರು ರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸಿದ್ಧರಿರಬೇಕು.
Total we have 12 cats.
दोघं अर्जेंटिना
काय करणार काय
Cat deserves like something which comes here, okay? Because this is your first cat show happening in Karwar, and I want to support. So I want to give this for every cat as a memory for you to take it home. Let's start the judging. Wait. I need 10 minutes to 15 minutes. I have to take this. Place goes to, what your number? 94. Please come here. A beautiful original long hair and Siberian mix. A very beautiful black mackerel tabby. Give a big round of applause again. Thanks for coming. So the cat is still in development, very young kitten. So maybe in the next show we'll see as a mature adult. Congratulations, thank you. So cat number? 42. So 9th place goes to cat number 42. Congratulations. 8th place goes to cat number 88. Congratulations. A beautiful white, very nice cat. So she's shedding right now 4 years of age. So next time I would like to see her in conditioning. Thank you. So 7th place goes to cat number 84. Again, one more white cat. Boy, right? Congratulations. Cat number 82. 6th place goes to cat number 82. Give a big round of applause. Come on, energy. Yes. This is the first cat show happening in Karwar. Thank you.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಇದೆ.
So 5th place goes to cat number 90, a Persian female, blue point.
ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಂಜಿಸಲು ಬಂದಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನವೀಯ ಧರ್ಮ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ
So, hold properly. You've explained you right? Yeah. Perfect. Learn this. So today the fourth place. Isn't it very difficult to judge this cat? Number 69. So fourth place goes to cat number 69. Very beautiful original long hair seal point kitten.
ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆಗೆ ಹೆಸರಾದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ವಾನ. ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ
62. Number 85. 73. We have 2 boys and 1 girl.
ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು.
And like original long hair,
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಶ್ವಾನಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ
Persian long
ನೀಡಬೇಕು.
hair, chocolate point. So someone is asking what is seal point and chocolate point. This is a chocolate point.
ಈಗ
Today, the third place goes to cat number 62. Congratulations. A very beautiful original long hair.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್
Third place, a beautiful tortoiseshell original long hair.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ
ಪ್ರಾಯ್ದು
ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಬೇಕು.
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಓಕೆ
Where's the ribbon?
ಓಕೆ
You hold the ribbon, please.
ಎಸ್
To dog judge, not to me. So we have.
Dogo Argentino.
So one is like 3 years old original long hair, chocolate point male, and the other is like 4 months old Persian blue color. Okay. So both are very promising and real specimens of the breed. If I ever take a standard of a Persian cat, this is a right example of a Persian cat. And if I ever talk about the standard of a original long hair, that is the right example of a original long hair. Okay, ನೀವು judgment ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, Haley. Bye. 85. 85 is that. Small kitten. Hands raise your hands for 85. And 73. Raise your hand.
ಮೊದಲು ಹಾಲ್
You are the better judges than me.
ರಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
So,
ಸಿದ್ಧ
the
ಇರಬೇಕು.
second place
ಮೊದಲು
goes
ಹಾಲ್
to cat number 85. And the first place goes to cat number 70.
ಮೊದಲು ಹಾಲ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್
Okay.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
So, okay, he has more time to grow. See him in the next cat show. Okay, so that is the reason this is my second choice. That gentleman is already he's at the peak. Okay, he's blooming. Yes. Thank you so much, and give a big hand for these 2 boys. Thank you. Very angry. I made him wait so much. He's very angry. Yes. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations to you. And here.
ಹಾಗೆ
And prize of 5,000
ಇದರ
rupees to
ನಂತರ
the
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
organizers.
ಕಾರ್ವನ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಕಾರ್ವನ್ ಹಾಲ್
And the trophy
ಕಾರ್ವನ್ ಹಾಲ್
goes. Congratulations.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿರಿ ಕಾರ್ವನ್ ಹಾಲ್
Take the money.
kindly give it in the room.
हे आमचे जॉर्ज आम्ही एका 15 दिवसाचे असताना आलेले आणि आता त्याला 3 वर्ष स्टार्टिंग आम्ही त्याला चिकन दिता सरेले आणि बांगडो आणि सगळे बॉईल कर्ण आणि तंदुरी जॉर्ज अनुपमा पेडणेकर आम्ही म्हणतो टेस्ट एकदम सॉलिड
सांगा फर्स्ट टाइम
फर्स्ट टाइम बरे बरे सगळे अरेंजमेंट बी बरे असा बेस्ट अगदी एकदम ब्रीफ करतात.
Looks like a boy for me. What to do? Too big for a girl. Very good set of ears. Very, very nice. The base is wide open and like no, the corners are round and very nice. If this cat would have come on time, definitely it would have been on my top 3 list. Okay, this cat. Give a big round of applause for this cat. Thank you so much. ಇದು ನೀವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು ನೋಡಬೇಕಿದು ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿಪ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ribbon and from the management side. Hello, my name is Sudhakar. I'm here in Karwar today to judge the first cat show of Karwar and it has been a great success. We have got more than 40 cats today for the cat show and whole pet fashion is organizing this cat show in alliance with Alliance of Cat Fanciers and it has been a great success and I hope in future the cat fraternity of Karwar will grow. Thank you so much.
वर्ल्ड पेट फॅशन हे आमच्या जोर्डान आज ऑर्गनायज केल्लें आसा आनी लोकांक बी पब्लीक बी जाय तितली येवन आणि कॉम्पिटिशना भितर भरपूर कॅट्स डॉग्स सगळे म्हणजे बेंगलोर गोवा कोल्हापूर सोलापूर सगळं तेंच्यांनी लोकांक बरेंच आमकां सपोर्ट केल्ले आसा हे सगळे लोकांले करपाक आसता आनी अशेंच करून आमचे ज्यो पोराक अशें करून लोकांनी जो एक बरें सपोर्ट केल्ले आसा हाचे साठी सगळ्यांक थँक्स म्हणटा.